Aloha, Rich Alverson here, and I'm going to demo our NAO robot here. I programmed a little bit of Robert's rules in here, and so let's see what he knows. Hello, hello.
Hi there. Aloha.
Try sit down.
Okay, I'll sit down.
Good job.
Mahalo nui aloha. Thank you.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Robbie.
How did you get that name? How did you get that name?
I am learning about Robert's Rules of Order. I'm studying for my RP exam.
Well, good luck with that. Well, good luck with that.
Yes, thank you. I'm at a disadvantage, though,
Why is that?
because the guy teaching me means well, but he doesn't even have his RP yet.
That's too bad.
Well, it is what it is.
Very good.
Mahalo.
Mai ka'i kahana.
Mahalo nui aloha.
What do you know about motions?
Motions are how deliberative assemblies conduct business. Proposals are made, debated, and decided all by motions and voting on motions.
What are the different kinds of motions? What are the different kinds of motions?
There are 5 different classes of motions. Besides the main motion, there are subsidiary, privileged, incidental, and bring back motions.
About the subsidiary motions.
What about the subsidiary motions?
What are those motions? What are those motions?
Subsidiary motions assist the assembly in treating or deposing of a main motion, and sometimes other motions. There are 7 subsidiary motions.
List those motions.
There are 7 subsidiary motions. They are: number 1, postpone indefinitely; number 2, amend; number 3, commit; number 4, postpone to a certain time; number 5, limit or extend the limits of debate; number 6, previous question; number 7, lay on the table.
What was number 5?
Number 5 in the subsidiary motion list. Motion number 5 in the subsidiary motions list. Limit or extend the limits of debate.
Explain.
I will explain motion number 5 in the list of subsidiary motions. Limit or extend the limits of debate. If it is desired to continue consideration of a motion but debate is consuming too much time, a member can move to place a limit on the debate. On the other hand, if special circumstances make it advisable to permit more or longer speeches than under the usual rules, a motion to do so can be made. Or, it may sometimes be desirable to combine the elements of limitation and extension, as in limiting the length of speeches but allowing more speeches per member. All such modifications of the normal limits of debate on a pending motion are proposed by means of the motion to limit or extend limits of debate.
What are the descriptive characteristics?
Limit or extend the limits of debate is a subsidiary motion. Characteristics of limit or extend the limits of debate. Limit or extend the limits of debate takes precedence over postpone indefinitely, amend, commit, and postpone to a certain time. Limit or extend the limits of debate yields to previous question and lay on the table. Limit or extend the limits of debate also yields to all privileged motions and applicable incidental motions. Is not in order when another has the floor. It requires a second. It is not debatable. It can be amended. It requires a 2/3 vote. It can be reconsidered. More information on limit or extend the limits of debate can be found in the 12th edition of Robert's Rules of Order, newly revised section 15.
Which motion was that?
Motion number 5 in the subsidiary motions list. Limit or extend the limits of debate. I will explain motion number 5 in the list of subsidiary motions. Limit or extend the limits of debate. If it is desired to continue consideration of a motion but debate is consuming too much time, a member can move to place a limit on the debate. On the other hand, if special circumstances make it advisable to permit more or longer speeches than under the usual rules, a motion to do so can be made, or it may sometimes be desirable to combine the elements of limitation and extension, as in limiting the length of speeches but allowing more speeches per member. All such modifications of the normal limits of debate on a pending motion are proposed by means of the motion to limit or extend limits of debate.
What class of motions are we talking about?
We are talking about your subsidiary class of motions.
Okay. About the privileged motions.
What about the privileged motions?
List those motions.
There are 5 privileged motions. They are: number 1, call for the orders of the day. Number 2, raise a question of privilege. Number 3, recess. Number 4, adjourn. Number 5, fix the time to which to adjourn.
What are the incidental motions?
There are 9 incidental motions. They are: 1 about the incidental motions. Number 1, point of order. Number 2, appeal from the decision of the chair. Number 3, suspend the rules. Number 4, objection to the consideration of a question. Number 5, division of a question. Number 6, consideration by paragraph or seriatim. Number 7, division of the assembly. Number 8, parliamentary inquiry. Number 9, request for information.
Explain number 7.
I will explain motion number 7 in the list of incidental motions. Division of the assembly. If a member doubts the accuracy of the chair's announcement of the result of a voice vote or show of hands, or if a member doubts that a representative number of persons voted, then that member can demand a division of the assembly. A single member ordering the division of the assembly requires a standing vote, but not to order a count, which only the chair of the assembly can do.
A standing vote? What are the descriptive characteristics?
Division of the assembly is an incidental motion. Characteristics of division of the assembly. Division of the assembly is an incidental motion, so it has no precedence. Is in order when another has the floor. It does not require a second. It is not debatable. It cannot be amended. It is ruled upon by the chair. It cannot be reconsidered. More information on division of the assembly can be found in the 12th edition of Robert's Rules of Order, newly revised section 29.
Can you stand up?
Okay, I'll stand up.
Can you crouch?
Do you want me to crouch? Okay, I'll try to crouch.
Well, good job. Good job.
Mahalo Nilialoa. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot. So that was my demonstration of Robbie the robot. We're going to try to do more of this later on, but thanks for watching.